Welcome here in Berlin for our second Innovation Week to all our customers from all over the world.
It's a great opportunity to show our innovative technologies and products in this very traditional building here. It's a fantastic opportunity.
We can congregate here all the customers together in 1, 2, 3 days and meet them and also show them our innovations.
So that's our opportunity here in Berlin to invite you to show our latest technology, our latest developments.
Being directly close to IFA, it means for my responsible customers, the international visitors from Asia, I can capture a huge audience to bring them here at our event hall to present very clearly our next generation of products, future sales prospects, and discuss internationally with our customers here in Berlin.
I'm so proud to invite all of the customers coming to Berlin to join such a fantastic event. Very good place and very good weather.
Thank you very much for being here with us during our second Innovation Week here in Berlin. For those who had not the time to see us, we are very happy to see you again in 2 years from now here in Berlin. Thank you.